Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Electrophilic aromatic substitution, EAS, and the directing effects of substituents on a benzene ring. Moving on to the next step. Identify the product. The product shown is bromobenzene with a nitro group, number 2 substituent. The structure appears to be O-bromonitrobenzene or M-bromonitrobenzene based on the drawing, but given the context of the question, the product is a nitrobromobenzene, specifically, the product of nitration of bromobenzene. Moving on to the next step. Determine the best synthetic route. The product is a nitrated bromobenzene. There are two possible routes. Route A, start with bromobenzene, C6H5Br, and perform nitration using HNO3 and H2SO4, mixed acid. Route B, start with nitrobenzene, C6H5NO2, and perform bromination using Br2FeBr3. And for the final step, consider directing effects. In bromobenzene, C6H5Br, the Br substituent is an ortho-para director. Nitration with HNO3H2SO4 introduces number 2 at ortho or para positions relative to Br. This gives O-bromonitrobenzene and P-bromonitrobenzene as major products. In nitrobenzene, C6H5NO2, the number 2 substituent is a meta-director and deactivator. Bromination with Br2FeBr3 would give M-bromonitrobenzene. Identify which product is shown. The structure in the image shows the number 2 group positioned in a way consistent with ortho or para substitution relative to Br, which matches the product obtained from option A. Eliminate other options. Option B, C6H5Br plus H2SO4, heat would give sulfonation, not nitration. Option C, C6H5NO2 plus Br2, FeBr3 would give meta-product, M-bromonitrobenzene, not ortho-para. Option D, C6H5NO2 plus HBr is not a valid EAS reaction under normal conditions. Option A uses bromobenzene with the mixed acid HNO3, H2SO4, which is the classic nitration condition. Since Br is an OP director, this gives the ortho and para nitrobromobenzene products shown. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.